Okay, hopefully this is going to work this time. The first thing that you're going to do to make this happen is you're going to not work on your background layer. So what I need you to do is to right click and then you're going to duplicate that layer. This way you're not going to do any damage to that very first layer. Now what I want to show you in this little video is how to change the blend modes that I'm circling right here and how to deal with opacity. So I'm going to make a circle right on top, and if you notice it makes its own layer, and the color is black because that's what's in my foreground color. To change that color, I click directly on that circle and I'm going to change it. However, I can't see what's underneath, and I want to use these circle shapes to kind of highlight and add a little bit of shape. So I'm going to use my opacity and I'm going to play with going down. It's a fine line, and you're going to know as you start to look at it if it's kind of what you're thinking. Then for that second shape, change it up again. And for that second shape, I'm going to use a different color just so that we're looking at two different things. Plus the color affects the blend mode. So here, I'm making sure that I'm on that next one, and then I'm going to go up to here where it says normal. I'm going to click. This section controls the dark, this section is the light, and these are more of an overlay, and these get into pretty heavy edits. So I'm going to then, once I've clicked on one, I can use my arrow keys to kind of scroll through and find the one that I want. So even though this is a blue, because it's a linear burn, you can see that I'm really not getting any of that blue. So again, your opacity and your burn are your blend modes, are your two things that you can do. Now, you don't have to put circle over everybody's heads. You can use one big shape, but one of the things in this challenge that I want you to do is play with the blend modes and play with shapes.